Again, as what I promised to you, no, the wiki of Heart is Pure Care na, no? Again, usab nila atong 31st gud pag 1 gud usab na nila no, by which daghan ko gisaynan by the Google, no? Again, thank you for the Google, ditawag ra bagid siya, no? Again, mo lagi na, no? Follow this one is about 3rd, no? 3rd of the January here, the Philippines, no? This is our 8 treatment sessions. Gibuwag na ko management by which karon ako ipa-feel niya da ginatag man ni sa Amerika lagi mo lagi ni sala ba ni makuha sa Amerika, no? So knee flexion, no? So here from 0 degrees to 135, that's the normal range of motion, no? Normal range of motion. So here at the page, again page 20, no? The book of Bradom, no? There you are, chapter 1, psychiatric history of examination. So again, here 120 flexions, 90 degrees, then 45 degrees, by which ang ako lang educate ang ako ang patient. No, nga mo lagi na is education, no? There you are. Karon sa Heart is Pure Care lagi usab lagi na thank you to Bill Gates, no? The Microsoft. So here Singaporean education as of today ni no, January 3, 2015. Again, January 3, 2015. No, Heart is Pure Care. Again, the NBA results news, number 1 world news there, no? Heart is Pure Care. Again, just follow it, no? Mo lagi na andama tanan Amerika, British and European ang pinakalisod by which lang lagi ang ako no operation, no injection, no medicine. Ako lang nga makalastan lang mo lagi na ang atong kontra grabe niya pero para lagi ni sa kumay body Arwin, no? She is in London, 5 years old, ito my mom, no? So here the time is 27:09 by 30 start stretching, then we put the gasoline by which adtuon pa nako si Aloy, no? Then I'll back in the basketball court because of the init pa mang iron. So mga 3 adto na ni siya mag-plyometrics by which education of the brain, no? Ato educate siya, and then pajagingon tanan ni siya by which the proper na gino nga maka-arwin siya much better na gid kay katong stress test machine mao na toy mutabang ginya by which nga ninggahi man guni ang iyahangi, no? Because nga si 6 weeks nga no flexion or extension by which nanggahi lang because of the recovery man to, no? Ato ngikuha ng recovery by which lang ato mahangyo lang taniya nga sakit but ayo ka, no? Karon ato stretch tanawan nato ninyo og pila ka degrees ni karon, no? Again, we do the massage after this one, then the stretching. Again, thank you. Today is about January 3 here in the Philippines. Thank you.